So now I'm going to tell you about Laravel 9, that which website we are going to start in Laravel 9. Okay. So I'm going to show you the template that I have started working on its template. See, this is the multi-vendor e-commerce website that we are going to start in Laravel 9. Okay, so see how it is. It's, you can see its design as well. Okay, so how it looks. Uh, See the top collection here, bestsellers, new arrivals. Okay, so this is the design of the new website that we are going to start working with Laravel 9. This is the multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, so you can see here, see, you can search from here if anything. See its layouts, it design is really good. You can see the animated design. Okay, you can search from here if anything you want to search. Okay, you can see here the customer login and vendor login as well. Okay, so both the options are here. You can click on vendor login. This is the form for the vendor register login. Okay, so you can go to the new levels as well, and these are the products that are coming. Okay, so we can open its layout in different views. Okay, so this is the another view of the listing page, and we can go inside and see it's the product detail page. Okay, for the Laravel e-commerce multi-vendor website that we are going to make in Laravel 9. Okay, so you can see how good it is, its design. Specifications are coming here. Okay, reviews are coming here. Okay, see how good it looks. Okay, so uh, we are going to open its the card page as well, and here you can see its card page as well. Okay, so this is the card page that we are going to do for our Laravel 9 series, and I'm going to show you the checkout page as well. Okay, so we are ready to start working on this one. See, you can see how good it is. Okay, so the billing details, shipping details here, and see the order details will come up here. See the payment methods and all. And see, we are going to use the admin panel, and I am going to use one of the best admin panel for this one. I'm going to use here Skydash admin panel. That is one of the best admin panel available online. So this is the admin panel that we are going to start for our Laravel e-commerce multi-vendor website in Laravel 9. Okay, you can see how good it looks. Okay, so here UI elements. Okay, all these we are going to apply for the admin panel of Laravel 9. Okay, see, we are going to merge this admin panel for our Laravel 9 multi-vendor e-commerce website. See, these are the charts and graphs we are going to do. Okay, so these are the table structure. So fine, it looks. So Ajit, tell, it looks fine.
Super, sir. I'm waiting for Laravel 9.
Oh, that's great. That's great, Ajit. So
It's
so
new UI.
yeah, 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 yeah. So that UI is really good for Laravel 9, and it's launching very soon. And see, there are few comments come here. Saipam Patel and Patel, sorry. Yeah, hello. Thanks for your comments. And Puneet Sharma, he is saying to explain in Hindi. Please make a website like Amazon and Flipkart. Yes, we are going to do. Uh, Yeah, see, yeah, Ajit, many of my friends asking me to explain in Hindi, and I have added the poll, and I have added the poll there that I must speak in Hindi, and
Okay.
also see, 68% of the users are saying no, no, they want in English. What I do here, what I do, I confuse. What I do, you, I
Subtitle.
think, I think you also don't know Hindi. You know Hindi.
No, I don't know Hindi.
तो अब मैं
No,
यार अब आपसे कुछ कहूँ कि यार के भी अजीत आप बड़े अच्छे हो, समझ आ रहा है आपको? बताओ, समझ आ रहा है सर?
no
समझ आ रहा है
Hindi.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ आपको?
Only
Do
English
do you
and
know what
Tamil.
I am
Chennai.
speaking?
No, sir.
So see, friends, see, English is the global language. So even the foreign user, there are many foreign users from USA, from England, from South Africa, from UAE, from Thailand, from Indonesia. So they don't know Hindi, and many of the
Yes.
users from south, like you, from our Chennai friend from the South India, they also don't know
Yes, sir.
Hindi. So if we will start making videos in Hindi, then see 50% of the users can't able to understand. So this is the issue. So even I want to make the videos in Hindi, but see, there is from Hindi and Urdu are there in India and Pakistan and few other countries, but if we will see globally, it's not there. That is the issue. Ajit, I want to show you the poll. I want to show you the
Oh,
poll. Okay,
yes.
I am going to share screen once again. I'm going to show you the poll. I have added the poll, and you can see my screen is visible.
Yes, sir. I can visible, sir.
So yeah, I am going to show you the poll.
Okay. Sir, someone saying I hate English language.
Ajit, can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can see, sir.
Ajit,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
see. Uh, yeah, visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, see here. I have added this poll some days back. Hello, friends. Please
Yes,
let me
sir.
know your preferred language in which you want to see Laravel 9 multi vendor series in the new year 2022. And you can
I
see
too
here.
voted for English.
Visible, na?
Yes, yes. I too voted for English only.
Okay, okay. You have also done. Fine. See, it's 68% English. You can see the votes here. 155
Yes.
votes means
Okay.
155% votes for this poll, and 68% saying to make in English. 68%.
Okay.
So
Okay. All.
and you can see Hindi Urdu is only 23%.
Okay.
So it's the clear
Mix.
majority here. It's the clear majority. 68% of the person. It means 68% of the person don't know Hindi and Urdu. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. More than, see, you can see it's around 70% of the person don't know Hindi and Urdu. 70% of the person only know English. Then see, so I, and also see, I personally advise everyone to improve in English. See, still my English is not that much good, Adit. In North
Yes.
India, English is not that much good, and in South India, everyone speak in English. Their English is better than the North Indians. You know about this thing. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so
Yes.
see,
Yes. Yes.
English is the global language, and for my brothers who are saying that to start video in Hindi, so every month, see, one of Anubhav is saying this is the wrong poll.
Wrong ball.
So no, it's not right. Actually, most of the users are no English. Okay,
English.
and we
It's a
have
global
to
language.
See, Anubhav, tell me one thing. If you will go for the interview and you will say there, they are going to take your interview in English. Even if you are in India or abroad, they are going to take your interview in English, and you can't say them that take my interview in Hindi. Okay, so see, English, we need to improve our English because it is the global language and we need to improve. And see, even see, there are many clients. I am working for my many clients from South India, from abroad. Okay, and you can I want to tell you that 80% of the client, 80% of the clients know English only. See, I am interacting with them in English, and if I don't know, if I will not speak with them, if I will say to them that speak in Hindi, or do so see, so we must comfortable in English because we will go for the job, we will interact with the clients, we are going to do the projects, international projects. So everywhere we see our communication skills matter. Okay, everywhere English matters. Okay, so it's the mandatory nowadays, and it's good that we must speak in our national language as well, but English is the global language and we must get ready for that. Okay, and I
Okay.
hope that you will improve as well. And if any confusion you are getting, I can explain you in Hindi as well some of the time. That's not an issue. But we must ready for English all the time, and to improve our see, we need to improve three things. Ajit, three things are there that we need to improve: our communication skills,
Okay.
our
Yes.
physical skills like exercise and everything. Okay, and our technical skills. Yeah, these
Okay.
are the physical skills. Okay, we need to do. See, you have seen my aerobics. Yeah, I will also share sometime my aerobics videos. Okay, aerobics videos I am going to
Okay.
share. uh, I have not experience in any company from 11 years, and I passed out in BCA 2010 from CCU Merit. Okay, so be
Okay.
optimistic. You will get, you are going to join some good company. Work hard, try to improve your skills, technical skills, communication skills, and physical skills. Okay, so we need to improve three things. One is the technical skills, one is the communication skills, and one is the physical skills.
Physical thing.
And if we will able to improve these three things, then we will be perfect. Okay, then we are going to achieve success in our life. That is the thing that we must learn, we must know. Okay, so Ajit, now
Yes.
it's the time to leave, and I
Okay.
hope that everyone will watch the Laravel 9 series as well. I am excited for Laravel 9, and I hope that every of my friend is also excited for the Laravel 9 as well. It's launching on the 25th January, and we are going to start the multi-vendor series in Laravel 9, like Amazon. Okay, so work hard, try your best in this new year. Okay, and see, spend the quality time with your work, and spend time outside as well. Okay, so do enjoy. Okay, enjoy coding, do enjoy coding and everything. Okay, so that's
Okay.
all for now. Thank you, Ajit, for joining. Thank you everyone
Thank you.
for joining. Okay, so we will see again, we will meet again. Okay, then have a nice time. Goodbye.
Bye,
Goodbye,
sir.
everyone. Thank you.